Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 315 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Soft Rise, an invitation to awaken gently from within. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale softly. Feel the subtle lift that comes with each inhale, the quiet renewal of life moving through you. There is no rush to arrive, no urgency to begin, just the slow unfolding of awareness. Notice how your breath expands naturally, like morning light stretching across still water. Let that sense of lightness fill you from the inside out. Now, say to yourself, I rise with ease. I welcome this day with softness, and I move with calm intention. Let your body follow the rhythm of your breath, steady, grounded, alive. This is your beginning, however small or gentle it feels. Every soft rise holds strength within it. When you're ready, take one last deep breath in and exhale with quiet gratitude. And carry this softness into your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.